This is just a quick little video that I made of installing a ratchet block on my newly acquired 1982 Sunfish. These are most of the parts that I used. I ended up with the Nautis, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct, 57 millimeter ratchet block, and of course used the stand-up spring just to hold everything up. I bought this little nylon washer from Ace Hardware and figured that would help protect the ratchet block from getting boogered up by the stand-up spring. Of course, the hole that it came with was like 1/4 of an inch or so, and I had to drill it out to make it fit over the shaft. The reason I did that was because I installed it once, and as I twisted it, I could see and feel how it was catching on that little lip of the spring. I also used 3 zip ties instead of 2 the first time, and I think the 3 zip ties work better for distributing the pressure. Underneath the deck, I had a piece of aluminum laying around my garage, and I installed that as a large washer to help distribute the pressure also. Just cut it out with a jigsaw and drilled some holes in it. So I wasn't able to get everything filmed because I was doing it one-handed while holding my my camera. And here I am struggling, as you can see, trying to cut the zip ties off. And I continued to struggle. I finally did get one of them to cut off, but it wasn't working very well. I fought with it for a little bit longer. So here I am, I have it cut off, resumed the video, and just kind of testing it out a little bit. I think that'll work pretty good. Since I shot this video, I've had it out and sailed it a few times. And I do appreciate having the ratchet block in there, and I do think it works really well. This is a list of what I used.